Hello YouTube!
Hi!
We're back. It's another weekend.
Yep.
And we are currently at Pepper Pot's camping site.
In Gloucestershire.
Yeah, somewhere in Gloucestershire, what she said. So we're actually meeting up with some friends this weekend again. Other YouTubers. We met them at the Malvern show in the summer. Out and about with Kev and Kate. So I'm sure you'll get to see those guys later. We've literally just got here. Just set everything up, haven't we?
We were supposed to be on a grass pitch because Muggins here got the wrong pitch.
Yeah.
So we were on an emergency pitch.
We're on an emergency gravel pitch, but it's so wet out there. If they put us on one of their grass pitches, we could see it's already boggy. We're getting stuck, so
can't complain. We're right next to the loo,
and
right next to the rubbish, and the pub.
Yeah.
So on that
we'll show you in a bit.
Yeah, we're gonna go there now anyway. Aren't we?
Yeah, we're gonna go have some food. So we'll see you in a bit.
See you in a bit. This is where we're pitched up.
Ta-da!
Ta-da! Which way's to the pub, love?
That way.
So we have called and booked ahead. This is called Hoggies Bar and Bistro, and I can see me spending a couple of hours here because
that's the Ruck.
There's the van. Oh, are they gonna park? Yeah. Oh, brill! Oh.
Did say there was a park. We know we're going inside for food.
Inside for food first. Unlucky, we got a table booked.
Like a high can jump.
Go on then. Wow. There we are. Hoggies. Not gonna lie, I'm quite excited about this.
Hey, we've got a table box for half one. Right?
Yes, you're on the table down there, in the corner.
Thank you.
I'll come and serve you in a second.
Love it.
Here are with Kate, showing off the back of her van, all her stickers. Look here. Look, that's the important one by there, look.
Up the top, look where you are, look, right at the top.
Right at the top! Where's this YouTube stick? Oh,
There.
excellent. Yeah, so how long did it take you to get down to here then?
It took us 2 hours because we got stuck in traffic in Birmingham.
That's right, see? And then what happened, Kate? You missed out on a lovely meal in Hoggies, and it was lovely.
Right. Have you shown
I'd
them
have
how
had to have
close
a
it is
kiss.
to the
Oh yeah,
pitch?
I'll show you. I'll show you. Literally. There's Kate. And there's Hoggies.
And there's the van.
Oh yeah. Whoa! Where'd you get that from?
Kev and
Kev
Kate.
and Kate. Winning my children's hearts by you. Put a size on them. What are you up to now, Ambert?
iPad.
iPad time, is it? Come on then. I was just going to say, who's squeezing my cheeks? And it was you.
But it's not Kev, is it? Come on.
So whilst the man but's outside, I want to show you very quickly my new cushions. That's right, more new ones again. This van, in fairness, had the clean of its life yesterday. I have managed to sort out every single cupboard. Actually looks neat and tidy for a change. Ta-da! And this one is my favourite over here. Look at all them neat boxes. Lovely. So at least now finally things actually stay in place when we're travelling. We were finding that everything just kept rattling around. To show you quickly, there's the site. So you've got reception there. And then it's just a little loop, so you've got all your gravel pitches all around here, and then along this edge, just up on this side, is where we were supposed to be on a grass pitch. They are all divided by hedges, which is really nice, but it's a little bit boggy for us, and we're quite big, so we were going to sink. So we've got this emergency pitch here, next to our friends out and about Kev and Kate, and then that's the loop. Here they are. Looking very chilled. Not a peep.
It's your turn.
Okay, love. There's a man, but deep in chat.
Yeah.
All right, boys.
Hello.
What have you been on about then?
Just gushing over the Vivaro camper,
Put
aren't I?
it down.
You
put
know,
it down.
you know the Vivaro's my favourite fan. I've had a Vivaro for the last 6-7 years.
Yeah, we were thinking about converting one at one time.
Well, my current one, which is the exact same van and year as this one.
There we are. You sat by there looking for a park for night in Stroud because I'm desperate for coffee, and we've managed to book.
Trying to find parking, and we love.
Yeah, we've managed to book a whole weekend with nothing around other than a pub and a little park, which is nice. But there's nowhere for lattes, is there? No. So yeah, we're going to go and try and amuse ourselves for the few hours today, break it up a bit. So we've just arrived in Stratford Park. There she is, our Sheila, in a nice coach parking. We've just noticed it says coach parking only, 2 hours, no return. Kids are up there in this massive park they found, straight up on the swing. And the parking's free, so happy days. Oh, that one nearly took my head off. Loving the pigeons, you darling. What? She'll poop on you.
Look how close you are. Just put your hand out like that and they'll come to you.
They think you've got seeds. Oh dear.
Don't do that.
Don't scare them.
I'm trying,
Oh, look at that one. How pretty with the white head. That one there.
So Dex, you were trying to catch a pigeon. What for?
keeping it in our house in the bird cage.
So you could keep it in our bird cage. What, with our 2 budgies?
Yeah.
A big pigeon.
Yeah. They'd be friends.
They'd be friends.
They do be friends. And that's the pigeon side.
Let's see, when our kiddies are on holiday, they come out with a Costa hot chocolate. Look at that. And a flea. They're nice. Happy days, guys. Why next then?
You get a pigeon.
To get a pigeon.
Yeah.
You guys are nuts.
Yeah, we want a pigeon.
We've just been into that stunning church. Over 900 years of history come from this place. And the people that were in there were just so welcoming. Just a really nice, calming environment, and the children have all been in and lit a candle, made a wish, so just absolutely beautiful. So thank you very much to the Church of St Lawrence in Stroud. Excellent. Just found a little market street that I said looked really pretty, and then I've just realised it's got Sports Direct on the end of it, so actually
no.
That was a bit of a letdown.
Ooh, these look nice.
What have we got? Street croissants.
So I get some more pine chocolates for the kids. Oh, not that, but not.
Much better than
£2 each.
Yeah, big queues by here. You've got Thai street food there. Oh, the smell's delicious. There's a smell everywhere in this street.
Smells horrible.
Not keen, kids.
Dexter.
Breakfast, but
Dexter.
I think they're very
oh, there's
happy.
some more down there. There's some Christmassy market stalls just there. Everything looks handmade. Cider. And socks.
No, I am
Christmassy candles. Gosh, that was good. Just a bit manic.
Strong the slapper.
I'm bigger than Oliver.
Hey, that's enough. That's enough.
I'm bigger than Oliver. No, not.
Oh, got me as well. There's 2 hours we've done in Stroud. Can't stay any longer.
Both of them.
No, can't stay any longer. The parking's about to run out, so we're gonna head back to the motorhome. There's a park right next to it, so we're gonna let the kids play in the park while we can watch out for the parking warden.
Dad, come on,
But we need some food. I need food.
I'll make food back at the
Need
back.
food.
But yeah, we've seen some lovely Christmas markets. Went and saw a beautiful church. So yeah, it's about half a mile back to the van now. But it's quite a busy road. Yeah, but the man wants some lunch. So obviously, that's next on the agenda.
What's it have 2 seats in it? The little bubbo.
Again, doesn't cater for 3 kids, but that is really cool. We should get something like that.
And it's electric.
Is it?
Yeah. It's cool. Don't touch.
Yeah.
Tomorrow we are going
Getting what?
a pigeon, and I actually got his wing. But
From?
somehow it got away.
It's just the autumn colour trees.
Find the flip. How are you? It's leaf one. Release each other. Trying to get the old man. This is size of it.
So fun?
Go. And then I just and then wait for it to stop. And then hold on.
Yeah.
Here, and I crouch down and then my legs down. And
Ta-da!
Mom, I don't think you'll believe he's Superman. Look, watch. I'm spinning him around. Superman to the rescue. Flying too. Flying.
Wow! Since when did you learn to stand up?
Down. No. Ow, my face. We're probably not even going fast.
You are going quite fast. Oh, there he goes. Come on then, Larone. Hey! You know what? I'm telling you, if I'm sick, you're dead.
Go!
Oh, don't...
Push it!
No! Oh, no, stop it!
So this is Ashley. You alright?
Yeah.
Don't leave her on
I know, I
here.
was just saying, you're making her like really nervous now. So Ashley just came out to see us at the motorhome. So you've just got a sticker, didn't you? Do you want to show everyone your Rolling Rucks sticker?
Yep.
Brilliant.
Do you want to be on our video tonight?
Yeah.
Yeah? Where are you going to stick your sticker?
I'm gonna stick it on my tablet.
Excellent. So you can take it wherever you go, is it? Brilliant.
Yeah.
And who have you met today? Amelia! Met your first subscriber. Yeah?
Do you want to play with me in the sun? No.
There you go. Children making friends as soon as they meet is brilliant, isn't it? That's what
Here's
it's all
Ashley's
about.
dad. Hello, Ashley's dad.
Yeah.
Hello everybody.
We did check with him that it was okay first.
Yeah. Oh, bless. So that was sweet, that
it was,
wasn't
yeah.
it?
She came up to us and she said, "Oh, I'm shaking. I'm so happy to meet you." And I just thought it was the sweetest thing ever. We'll be very, very quick because we've got to go now, okay?
Okay, Mum.
So go straight out with Ashley, have a quick nosy and then come straight back.
I'll be good now.
Bless
Where they going?
Morning, Kate.
Good morning.
You alright?
I'm very well,
Did you have a
thank
nice weekend?
I had an amazing weekend and I've got a sweet in my mouth now, thank you very much.
You got a sweet in your mouth. She didn't offer us any sweets, did she, Charles?
No.
It's a mint, would you like one?
No,
No,
sorry,
thank
it's
you.
too late now.
So, that's another weekend done, guys. Did you have fun?
It was alright.
Had a little cheeky trip into Stroud.
Kids have had to go in the park.
Yeah, made a friend this morning just as we're about to leave, which is always the same, isn't it? About to leave and they all want to go play.
We had a couple of nice lunches.
We had, to be fair, the food you had at the Hoggies bar on this side was, to be fair, lovely. We had, what did I have the first day? We had that big...
The Hoggies massive burger.
Yeah, the Hoggies massive burger.
And it was massive.
Yeah.
We had to use a knife and fork to cut it because I couldn't get my mouth around it. It was so big. Thanks again, everybody, for watching our videos.
Yes, hope you've had a good time and you all had a good weekend yourselves.
Yep. And until next time.
I guess we'll see you in a bit. Ta-ra, guys.
Please subscribe.
Please subscribe.
Hit the like button and turn on notifications. if you
Excellent.
really like us. And
Leave a
comment.